Welcome. It is August 21st of 2026, and the impossible thing that I did was download the order of the universe. I know that didn't make sense to me either, and it was challenging for me to believe it, but I did, and that's why I know I had your best life as well, because there was order in the universe, and there was order in your life when you were born. There's no one that comes into the world that's different than another. Think about that. As a human, we are all the same. But what does change is how we think and how we see ourselves and how society changes. And when that happens, new things can come about, and we may not understand why. Why are things changing the way that they are in our lives or possibly in the world? Well, we've all known the world was changing for a long time. And then you will hear things like, we can't change that. We can't do anything. And that would be you thinking you can't change your life. And that would be all of us thinking that things are too good to be true. Things that we want to believe are too good to be true. And that's what went on for me for 37 years. And I had very little belief in myself, and so others didn't get it either. But that was on purpose because it wasn't supposed to happen until now. It wasn't supposed to happen until this day on the 21st, where I can reveal to everyone that, yeah, I've done this impossible thing, which was to download this order of the universe, your place in it. And if you become aligned with who you are, what you're meant to do, and live your dream and your creativity, then the world changes. That wouldn't make sense to most of us, except we've studied things over time and figured it out. Years ago, I started studying people like Einstein and Aristotle, and I didn't know why I was doing that. But see, some minds came in and knew that there was a way for us to figure out who we are as humans and how to live better lives. And then we will hold that and give it to others, and then our world evolves. But we can also go through difficulty because we do it in our lives. We will mess things up. We will screw things up. We'll go in the wrong direction, even though we've learned what it might have been. But then we have to remember that we have our brains to deal with. And are we going to change them? Are we going to be able to move over the limitations that have existed within us? Well, I know that you can. I've been on this quest. I said, I can do the impossible. I took that from Napoleon Hill because he said, there's nothing that's impossible. And yeah, I wanted to prove him right as well, and I did. I'm 75. I've healed everything. I downloaded mind body healing, cognitive behavior training, neuroscience, epigenetics, and everything. That is what Wilhelm has given us. And it was challenging for me, even though I'm experiencing the results and I'm here. But what we all have is cognitive dissonance. When we're living on the earth at any particular time, we have to accept new things if we want to evolve as an individual and our world. And so in 2021, when I'm stopped and told I was given all that information to give to you because then you could live this great life and our world would change, I said, that's not even possible. And so I held myself back. That's the other thing. You don't know who you're going to become. And sometimes it can be frightening, scary, whatever it might be, or surprise you, which it's supposed to. Why would you be alive if you didn't have something that was meant to come to the world that was going to make your life better and the world? The only reason it hasn't happened is that you have been programmed to think small, as I was. But now I'm changing all of that. Because see, last night I had to kick myself, and you'll see it. I put it up. It was embarrassing to look at the posts that I did and to see all the years of information that I had that I put together that was organized, that explained what was happening about absolutely everything. And then I heard a channeling session, which blew me away. Same thing. All the information was there. But I developed a very different ability, and so I have to be honest about that. I can receive information that is cosmically aligned, astrologically aligned. I'd never studied it. It caused awareness healing within me. That's why I knew what was happening in the world. That's why I know what's happening within your life. When I would do channeling sessions and meet with someone and I'd ask you for your birthday, it was because I received information. There is an energetic connection to everything in our world. That is the quantum mechanics of everything, which we will not all understand. However, if you go through the blog that I've created and look at any of the messages, you'll see it. For 37 years, that's what was happening, and I didn't know it. I couldn't have known it because you cannot build a philosophy unless you live it, unless the world changes and you can see why it was needed and you can prove the results. And I have all of that. So today you have the opportunity to live your best life because I'm giving it to you. Now, I'm saying this because I'm changing after this. I've done something that most people will not accept, understand, or even believe is possible. But there are certain people who will believe it is possible, and those are the wealthy. I just have to say that because that's exactly the information I received, and you'll read all of it because throughout the blog you'll find where that's come in. There's nothing happening accidentally. As humans, we form different beliefs and ideas that we carry around with us. So it becomes our job to figure out: am I going to matter? Is my life going to make a difference? Am I going to make a contribution? And I'm going to change the world. That's what I'm doing. You see, because now I have a way of doing that. If you could cause more people to be happy and move through all their generational trauma and doubt and fear and all of that, wouldn't that change the world? They would be doing what they came to the world to do, and it would be incredible. And you'll think that doesn't make sense. And I'll tell you the only reason is because you can't accept yourself, because you do have that much power within you. We all do. There's no difference in any of us except what we've been taught to believe. That's it. And so when I was receiving Wilhelm, I was afraid of it because I knew I had connected to a direct connection to all of us. And so when people read and see my stuff, when you see any of the messages, you'll think, how did that happen? There are things that happen in human existence in our consciousness that we don't understand. I did not know I was going to turn into what they call a genius and receive this information, have it organized, have it turned out to be the first verified personal development system, and have it move consciousness much higher for any person who uses it. Now, everyone won't believe that. And that's why I'm changing. But those who will believe it, you have an opportunity today to have your best life. And that I can guarantee. It's, and I'm going to say all of this now because I have to shift. My friend said, you can't say this to people that if they don't do this, it'll be their fault. It is. If you're struggling in your life, it's because you're not taking the steps to accept yourself. And I was struggling because I couldn't accept this because this was too big. Who's done this? But it's the same for all of us. But now it's proven, and that's why I am going to be shifting. And I hope more of you do it because you will see that listen to the testimonials. Don't take it from me. You'll see your life will change. I had no idea I was going to do this, and I didn't believe it was possible, and neither did anyone else. But when you read the information, and most of it's going to be published, I'm submitting this to different papers. And when you read that, you'll see the evidence of it. There are things that we come to understand in our world that help us to live better. You don't imagine that your life is going to give you a philosophy that never occurred to me. But it did, and the philosophy would be something that works for more people to give them a better way of living and understanding the world. And that's exactly what I've done. I will see you soon. Please look at all the information. Now is your time.